Alright, so on this Teryx 800, Teryx 4 thing, you can, these top radiator bolts, you can actually get to them if you take out these Phillips head screws, and really you need to have one person pull up on this front guard right here, and you can stick an extension and a 10mm socket through this hole.
I'm unable to answer.
Thanks. Through this hole, and you can get to those two 10mm bolts. Besides that, you have two coolant lines on this side of the radiator, and your connection to the wiring harness is right here. And that should make it ready to drop out. And there it is. Fans out. Step one of this process is not to buy one of these, so you never have to do this job.
Like a pain.